Hey guys, I'm showing you this curved store earplug case clip for secure storage and travel of earplugs. Received as a sample to test and try. So first impression is a very nice packing, can be given as a gift to anyone you want. And just open this box and see. So this comes with this carabiner, earring and a silicone case. So for the curved round shape, this holders. So these are the curved shape holders, and you can just put it in this silicone jacket so that it will be more protective. And this curved small cases can be used for storing earplugs or your pills, medicine, coins, anything. It's very becomes very safe. And then also is a key ring on the top, and you can also change this key ring to this carabiner based on your requirement. So there are two sizes of the metal spring rings or the clips, so you can change this thing. And this curved case is sold separately, so this one is just for the silicone case and these two rings. So premium material used and very nice protective thing.